Hello everyone, David A. Cox here with Tech Talk America, and today I want to answer a couple of the common questions folks tend to have when purchasing one of our premium classes off the techtalkamerica.com website. The first question I want to answer is, how do I download this to my computer? And the best way to do it is through email. So whenever you order one of our classes, you're going to get an automated email that looks like this. And some folks, for whatever reason, just, I guess, don't read it. But you want to click on this big purple button right here that says Get Digital Purchases. And when you do that, it's going to take you to your web browser, and you're going to click the download button here next to each file. Now, files here that end in .pdf, these are really, really small files. So those are going to download in just a couple of seconds. But the big one is the one here that ends in .mp4. Okay, that's the actual class. And as you can see here, this file is 2.6 gigabytes. So you really need to make sure that you have a good internet connection in order to download it. And I get a lot of people emailing me saying, why is it taking so long? Well, we have no way of controlling what your internet speeds are. So if you're on something like DSL, yes, it is going to take a little bit longer to download. But that is actually about the size of most videos that you would download, for example, off iTunes if you were going to rent a movie. So what you would do is you would hit the download button here, and whenever you do that, you're going to see that there's a little progress bar up here. This is, of course, if you're using Safari. If you're using something like Google Chrome, it would be at the bottom left. But it's showing you the progress of the download. And if I actually click here, you can see the progress here, including the other time I recorded this class and screwed up, hence why this is take two. So it's going to take some time for it to download. Now, I have a pretty good internet connection, so it only takes me about 4 minutes, whereas if someone had something like DSL, it could take several hours just because that's how slow DSL is. I'm going to stop it in this case just because I already have it and want to move on to the next question that I tend to get from a lot of people, which is, why won't it open? Here's the thing, if you try to open the video before it's done downloading, you can corrupt the file and then you have to download it again. So it's really important that you not try to open the video until it is done. The next question that I get a lot from folks is, how do I transfer the video to another device, for example, an iPhone or an iPad? Well, the best way to do this is through iCloud Drive. So let's go through it right now. What I want to do is go to where the video lives right now, which is in the Downloads folder. As with everything on the Mac, whenever you download something off the web, it's going to automatically go into your Downloads folder. So let's go there. We're going to go into Finder, which is the little happy Mac icon that we see here at the bottom left corner of your screen. And from there, we're going to look here for Downloads. My computer opens right up to it. And in this list, you should see the file. In this case, it's right here. So if you would like to view it on something else, like an iPhone or an iPad, what I would recommend that you do is you're going to move this file from the Downloads folder into iCloud Drive. So all we're going to do, it's really simple, just drag and drop this file up here into iCloud Drive. Now, when you do that, you're going to see this little pie chart appear, and that is your computer uploading the video file into iCloud Drive. So after this, if you want to view it on your computer, you can just go here. Just go into iCloud Drive, and it's right here. You'll just double click on it, and it will play. Now, if you want to view it on your iPhone or your iPad, if you go onto either of those devices, you will see that you have an icon for iCloud Drive. And all you need to do from there is, again, wait until it is finished uploading, and then you'll be able to view that file on your mobile device. Just make sure you give it enough time so that it can upload the file and then eventually download it on your mobile device. If you run into any problems with this, the one problem that I do see occasionally people run into is if you are on the free plan of iCloud, you may need to upgrade because Apple only gives you 5 gigabytes of cloud storage, and this one file by itself is 2.6 gigabytes. So you may need to increase your iCloud storage if you want to be able to view all of our videos on your mobile device. If you have any other questions, you can always email me directly. It's my initials, DAC, at techtalkamerica.com. Thanks for watching, everyone. And finally, I just want to say real quickly, thank you for supporting what we do here at Tech Talk America. Class dismissed.